reply?
We're checking that source with the NBI. The NBI would be in a better position to know that, Your Honors. Because
The
there's a
NBI is
complaint.
not here? I saw them.
They are. So that's why I'm.
Okay,
I'm
okay,
asking
they're
for
checking it. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Chair, also,
Senator Po?
what the ones that claim innocence, I wonder if it's part of their investigation to also check the lifestyle of those being charged. I mean, considering if they're government employees, assuming they didn't inherit much or they didn't have a viable business prior to their employment in the government, I think it might be easy to spot a possible
Discrepancy in their
discrepancy,
lifestyle.
perhaps. Yeah, just as a
We
suggestion,
will-
and I'd like to know if there's a process that they're following for lifestyle checks.
We will relay that to the Department of Justice, and I think it's not premature for them to reply right now. Maybe we should wait for the formal reply of Secretary De Lima on that matter. Thank you, Senator Po.
Your Honors, with respect to Mr. Cunanan and Mr. Evangelista, I am informed that they were charged.
They were
before the
charged.
Office of the Ombudsman.
Okay,
Yes,
thank
Your
you.
I made another mark, sir.
You made another mark. Same person, different
No,
person.
different.
Mr. Chairman,
Senator Cayetano.
just while Ms. Tuason has the book, can you check kung nandyan din yung driver ni Tony Gigi? Because my information is empleyado din siya sa opisina ni Senator Enrile. Alam niyo ba yung pangalan ng driver? Hindi pa.
Nonoy ata.
Nonoy. Can you look for Nonoy there? Is not in that book, but we might not have time today, but may I ask the Secretariat to look for a picture? If there is an employee in the Senator Enrile's office, we will have the records in our 201 files, and maybe someone can coordinate with the DOJ to check na kung yun yung Nonoy, kasi potential witness nyo rin yan.
Ms. Tuason, you made a mark on another person. So, dalawa na po ang in-identify ninyo. Please use the mic. The mic.
Kasi ilang beses ako nasundo kasi minsan pagkain nga yung dala ko. Ayoko naman magbitbit ng tray. So, sinusundo din ako sa labas.
So, okay. Dalawang tao kung papalit-palit
yes.
from time to
That's
time.
why I'm
Okay.
not sure if
I'll have the staff identify the name now of the other person.
I don't know their names, sir.
Yes, but they're there in the
Yes,
book.
the other one is there.
Senator Cayetano, please, you have the floor.
So let me just continue yung tinatanong ni Senator Trillanes and also, so pag nakikita ho kayo ni Attorney Gigi, what do you talk about?
We don't
The
talk
PIDA.
about the PIDA. We
Yeah.
talk about a lot of other
Because
things.
you're friends.
Yes, we're
Friends.
friends.
And I don't know why, no, but everyone here, when we talk about Senator Enrile and Gigi, they're a little bit squirmish, etc. But di ba common knowledge naman kung ano relationship nila? I won't describe what their relationship is, but it's common knowledge, hindi ba? It's never hidden. They talk about it openly. When I was talking to her, she talks about it openly. Hindi ba?
She didn't talk about it openly like that.
Yeah,
So
but
I
she
just
talks about
presume-
him going to their house, having lunch with her mom, when they go out, you know what I mean? Di ba? I mean, hindi ba? I mean, is there any doubt in our mind that, I won't, as I said, I won't describe your relationship, but we know naman, di ba? So the only question is, was the money being kept by her, or was it going to Senator Enrile? Di ba?
She never really ever.
She never told that. But what about her lifestyle? For example, when you meet, anong klase yung mga bag niya?
Oh, magaganda yung bag niya.
Example nung bag niya. Hermes.
She has, yeah, I've seen her. with
And
her
how much
Hermes.
is a Hermes bag? At
I-
least yung klase na gamit niya.
I don't have one, but I think it's something like 10,000
Dollars. So about $500,000. No. And did you know where she lived?
Yes, in La Vista, but I've never been to her house.
You never been to her house. But nung nabalita na may bagong bahay sa Forbes at Dasma, nabalita mo yun? Hindi.
Hindi.
But kaibigan mo rin yung brother niya, di ba?
Dalawang brothers niya.
Yeah, both. Yung isa
Patrick.
nandito sa Senate.
Si Patrick,
Yes. The other one,
si Neil.
siya ang link kay Alice, di ba? Yung sinabi ni Senator Miriam kanina. Yeah. They're, common law. Silang mag-asawa.
I don't know if they
supposedly.
live together. Alice lives like a block from me, but she never, well, I'm not
Yeah.
that close naman to her.
Yeah, but you know them and
Yeah, I heard, that they were together.
yeah. So you have no knowledge about the 500 million house in Forbes and Dasma. Nung kay
Ano?
Neil na supposedly yung isa ginagamit ni Gigi or pagmamayari niya.
I never heard that.
You never heard of that. So you don't know where the money went.
No.
Nung birthday ni 50th birthday ni Attorney Gigi, were you there?
Yes. I was-
Were you in the video also in there?
I presume, I don't know. I think.
You know that
My
catchy phrase.
table was not far from their table.
Yeah.
From the president.
Anong balita nung birthday na yun? Who gave her that party?
I only read that when Ben-Hur said that they paid for the party. That's the only
ganun ba?
time.
Si Mr. Napoles nagbayad ng party?
Opo, yung Len Plus, may isang PR team siya na parang nagkakandak na mga
Diaryo, that
event.
was a couple of millions for the...
Basta ang alam ko po siya nun, siya po yung ang nagbayad
Oh.
nung party na yun.
Okay. And it was quite lavish, di ba?
Hindi ko na po.
It was in a hotel. Well, Ms. Tuas, I mean, you've been to a lot of parties and trabaho mo yun, di ba? Dahil when you were the ex-president.
Just
as
a
you
nice,
said.
it was,
Quite nice. I mean,
yes.
yeah.
Were you there?
No, I wasn't. I'm outside the
Okay.
Colombo, or I'm outside there. May love-hate relationship sila sa
It
sa
was
amin.
very well planned.
Yeah. Anyway, I won't go further than that. I just wanted to do two things, no. As Senator Miriam said, put badges, no, of truth, or to let you say some details. And I've told this on radio, Ms. Waso, no. Ang problema kasi kapag hindi ka nagsabi ng specifics, wala kaming kung totoo hindi. Alam mo, sinabi mo na sa party ka, may video di ba? So, kung nandun ka, nagsabi ka ng totoo. Wala ka doon, sisinungaling ka. So, pag sinabi ni Attorney G, I don't know her, but then nandun ka sa party video, di ba? These are the things that will help us in assessing. And the second one is to put you at ease that you're going to get more and more of these questions. And I do believe you're a good person, and I do believe that you don't want to damage reputations and people that walang kadamay dito. But hindi mo in control kung anong tatanungin sa'yo eh. No? So, I just wanted to, like Senator Miriam, I don't know you that well, but I see you around here, eh, di ba? I think pag opening ng session, and then may kainan din sa, kasi my office is also in the 6th floor, and usually may pakain din sa different offices. Sometimes you're here also, eh, di ba? You got invited. I mean, you're pretty known person, and you won't be social secretary unless madali kang pakisamahan, and you know what I mean, di ba, na ganon. So, I mean, you're not a stranger to people. No one's shocked that, people are shocked that what you have to say and what you're saying, but no one's shocked that you're close at kilala ka dito and everything, no?
Well, because when I was social secretary, I met most of the senators before.
Yeah. So, let me just give you that encouragement that, you know, kung alam mong totoo, may konting detalye, whether it's the color of the car or the flavor of the food you order, the restaurant, etc. This kasi will help. You cannot please 100 million Filipinos. You can't please everyone. At may akusado dito, may ano. So, mangyayari talaga yan. But kami, ang trabaho namin dito, lumabas ang buong katotohanan, then we try to go for the reforms. No? So, last point na lang, Ms. Tuason. Why 40 million? Is that
It's a
may nagtanong na
ballpark
kanina.
figure.
Yeah.
Ballpark figure.
Ballpark of what? So, that's your commission? Or
Yes, my commission.
And your commission was usually at around how much?
5%.
So,
Sometimes less.
mahina ako sa math. So, 5%, 40 million is 5% of 800 million.
Yeah.
Tama? Kasi,
this is for all the years, ha?
Yes,
This
yes,
is
yes.
not only the 2 years that they're
okay,
in this.
yes. No, but I just wanted to give people a sense of the magnitude of PDAF and money that we're all talking about here, no? So it's 800 million over the years, no? Yeah. Kasi actually ang charge naman dito more a couple billions eh.
That's why I was asking Ben-Hur, magkano ba talaga yun sa akin kasi baka sobra yung binibigay ko. I wanted to know kasi nga ayoko mas mabuti pang medyo sobrang konti kaysa kulang.
Sa affidavit nyo, parang nag-cut off kayo after 2008.
Na-cut off nila ako.
And 2009, 2010, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, dun malaki ang pork nila. Kasi dun naging Senate President si Senator Enrile at dun naging mas close sila kay dating Pangulong Arroyo, no? So, ang usapan nyo nung umpisa, lahat ng deals, meron ka. Kasi ikaw nagpakilala eh.
Hindi.
Hindi
Dumaan
po.
lang sa akin.
Yung dumaan lang sa
Saka
inyo.
yung kay Senator Estrada, nung lang di ba? Dahil nung na-cut off na ako, wala na
Pero
ako alam.
sa affidavit nyo kasi, nung hindi pa niya kilala, at sinabi, Ruby, pakilala mo naman ako sa government officials. Tapos ganyan. Pero pag may ano kami, I'll give you a commission. And that's normal, di ba? I mean, normal in the sense that whether it's a private deal, it's just that this is a deal in corruption. But assuming it was you're selling a house, halimbawa, pakilala mo sa buyer, bigyan kita ng X%.
She's not like that.
Hindi
Because as
ganon.
soon as she was able to go straight to the lawmaker, wala na ako.
So you knew that one day, matitigil din to.
Oh yeah.
So ang nangyari lang, nung umpisa, they don't trust na sila magbigayan directly, but they trust you.
Yeah, I was the one also who put them together.
Ibig sabihin, kung totoo lahat ng sinasabi mo, both Gigi and the other senator kasi was comfortable getting money from you, but was
Yes.
not comfortable getting money
From
directly from her. But apparently, like in the case of Miss Gigi, Attorney Gigi, she became very close to Miss Napoles. So we can only assume that diretso na, except may testimony nga si Ben-Hur. Ano testimony Ben-Hur? Sino nagbibigay na kay Gigi after 2008?
Yung may driver po kami, si John Raymond de Asis, na ginawa niya rin presidente ng foundation.
Nag-testify na ba yun? Hindi pa? Nawawala?
Opo, hindi na rin makontak ng NBI.
Pero hinahanap nila?
Ang alam ko po.
Sige. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, I have, ang dami-dami ko pang tanong, but I'm sure you'll get the same questions habang inimbestiga. And as I said, no, importante sa amin dito yung facts, malaman yung totoo, and then what reforms we'll have. At the future time, I'd like to ask our whistleblowers and even Ms. Tuason how we can improve the witness protection program and how you feel as whistleblowers. I told this to Ben-Hur na, you know, yung feeling minsan taas, bababa, tas yung kalungkutan, etc. But let me ask just one question to the DOJ rep. No? Nabasa ko sa abs.com kahapon, sinabi ng spokesman ng Malacanang, nagkaayos na o nagka-clarify na ang Office of the Vice President at ang DOJ about yung argument nga whether it's a slam dunk and whether this is needed or not. Do you have any information about that?
Your Honor, as far as I'm concerned, I have no information about that.
But napakahirap kasi, di ba, na kung sabihin ng presidente tuwid na daan and eto prosecution, napakahirap kung sa kabinete mismo may nagsasabing ang lakas nung kaso, may nagsasabing hindi ayos yung testimony na yan.
Medyo mahirap nga po yun.
Okay. But just so that the audience will hear the side of the DOJ, no? Ano ba ang presumption of innocence? I assume, ASEC, you're a lawyer, no?
Apo, I'm not
Yeah.
an ASEC po. I'm the program director of the Witness
Sorry,
Protection
Director.
Program.
When you say a person, for example, a senator, inakusan mo ko, and I tell you, I go back, I have the presumption, I enjoy the presumption of innocence. Under the Constitution, Alan should be presumed innocent until proven guilty. Does that mean that you cannot have a witness or you cannot say na ang witness mo malakas? Does that mean that you cannot make an accusation against me?
I don't think it necessarily follows, Your Honor.
In fact, it is your job
Yes, Your
na
Honor.
ilabas yung witnesses at yung kanilang statements.
Yes, Your Honor.
Diba? Ang presumption of innocence, ganito yon. Hindi mo ako pwedeng ikulong nang hindi mo pa prove. Hindi mo pwedeng cancelin yung passport ko. Diba? Just because may accusation si X or si Y. You have to prove it.
Yes, sir.
But that's why it's a presumption. It can be overturned. And what DOJ and Ombudsman are trying to do is overturn that presumption.
Yes, Your Honor.
So, am I correct to say that as far as the DOJ is concerned and the NBI, by coming out with the whistleblowers and the witnesses, whether malakas ang kanilang testimony o hindi, walang violation of rights of the constitutional right to be presumed innocent.
I agree with that, Your Honor.
In the same manner, sa session, ganun. They enjoy the same rights as any other senator. Di ba? Kung sinuspindi namin sila, o kaya they got kicked out, na wala namang hearing, not only are we not presuming them innocent, we're also denying them due process. So in this case, may I just ask this last question?